LumiCloud Aurora, part of our cloud solution to the market, using RGBW lighting here with two separate diodes. The W is separate from the RGB, and the reason is we're getting much better light quality white with the black body curve, high CRI. We are working with the 2.5 step macadam on our lighting solution. As you can see here, we can create 16 plus million variation of colors using our controller that optimize the lighting and know how to balance between white and colors. Getting a great result, can be connected to any DMX, third-party solution on the market. LumiCloud Aurora. LumiCloud RGBW is the ultimate solution for lighting source, white lighting source, and dynamic and movement of lighting, as you will be watching shortly here, creating almost any effect in very large scale solution from ceiling, wall, very thin and low profile, integrate the whole product together as a one-stop shop that we offer, as well with a commissioning solution that we offer, software or a standalone scenes that can be created for you for any kind of environment.